Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're breaking down one of the most important changes for American taxpayers in 2026. The new IRS tax brackets, deductions, and adjustments. These updates will affect nearly every working American. So whether you're a salary earner, freelancer, retiree, or business owner, you'll want to understand what's coming, why the changes happen, and the law behind it. Every year, the IRS adjusts tax brackets and deductions for inflation to prevent bracket creep, where inflation pushes you into a higher tax bracket even though your real purchasing power hasn't increased. But the 2026 updates are more than routine adjustments. They're shaped by the newly passed One Big Beautiful Bill Act, OBBA, which extended certain tax cuts and added new provisions. Because of that, we see not only inflation indexing, but structural changes like expanded deductions, tweaks for seniors, and modified estate tax thresholds. What's new in 2026? Brackets and deductions. Let's cover the major updates you'll see for 2026. Returns filed in 2027. Standard deductions will increase to $1,600 for single filers, $32,200 for married filing jointly, $24,150 for heads of household. Marginal tax brackets remain at 7 rates: 10%, 12%, 22%, 24%, 32%, 35%, and 37%. For instance, 10% applies to income up to $7,400, single, $24,800, joint. 12% starts above that, then 22%, 24%, 32%, 35%, and 37% at the top end. The 37% bracket threshold for single filers is now at $640,600. For married filing jointly, it's $768,700. Estate tax exclusion rises to $15 million per person. Senior deduction, bonus, individuals 65 plus may qualify for an extra deduction of up to $6,000 under certain income limits. For 2025, affecting 2026 filing, tipped workers will no longer have to pay federal income tax on tips. These changes aim to shift part of the burden away from middle-income taxpayers, account for inflation, and provide relief to seniors and tip earners. Impact and who benefits? Who pays more? So what do these changes mean for you? Beneficiaries. Middle-income earners may see modest tax relief, since higher standard deductions and wider bracket thresholds reduce the chance of being pushed into higher rates purely due to inflation. Seniors, 65 plus, benefit from the extra deduction, helping offset taxes on Social Security or other income streams. Those in high-taxed states may benefit from the expanded SALT deduction cap of $40,000 under OBBA before phase-outs. Potential downsides. Higher burden groups. High earners near the top brackets may not see much relief. Their marginal rates remain high. Individuals relying heavily on itemized deductions may find the increased standard deduction more attractive, reducing the utility of itemizing. Estate tax changes affect very wealthy individuals with large estates. The rise to $15 million helps some, but uncertainty remains about future changes. Bracket creep prevention is a big win. Your income must grow more before being bumped into a higher bracket. Section 4. Planning tips. Before 2026. $4,000 to $450. Here are strategies you can use now to maximize your tax outcome. Adjust withholding and estimates. Review your W-4 or quarterly estimates so you don't get under-withheld. Time income recognition. If possible, defer or accelerate income to optimize bracket placement. Use deductions now. Consider prepaying deductible expenses or charitable contributions before year-end. Review retirement contributions. and Roth versus traditional, higher deductions may tilt the balance. Estate planning. If you're near the exclusion threshold, lock in trusts or gifts before potential changes. These may help you position yourself advantageously ahead of the new tax year. 2026 tax changes are not just numbers, they represent a reset. With inflation baked in, seniors getting relief, and estates redefined, many Americans will see moderate shifts, some positive, some neutral. Understanding these brackets' deductions and how they interact with your income is crucial. Don't wait until tax season, plan now. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more updates on taxes, finance, and smart planning. Let me know in the comments which bracket lesson surprised you most. Thanks for watching. See you next time.